Hey guys, it's Jeffrey. Today we are playing Spot and I found one. It's white. I don't know if you. I don't know. Just gonna lay down and see if I don't know where it is. That's a tree. Oh, okay, no. It's like over there. So it's like it's right there. Yeah, it's right above my fingertip, I think. I don't know. Just playing Spawn today. I'll come back when there's actually plane not that high in the sky. I don't know. It's like right there. It's right under my finger. Oh, sorry. It's over there. I don't know. I'll come back when there's a plane that you guys can hopefully see. There one is. Right there. Right here. Well, maybe you guys can see it. I don't know. It's black. It looks like it's a bee. No, I don't know what that is. It's moving fast though. I don't even know what it is, but it's black. It's right up there. Somewhere out there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Zoom into that big cloud up there. Dang it. There's actually one that hopefully you guys can hear. It's flying right above. Here, yeah, you can see that one. There you go. I don't know what that is. It looks like a Boeing 737. I don't know. I can't really tell from up here. But there we go. We got flight number 2. Yo, is that That's an Alaska Airlines. That's cool. Now that one I think is a V737. Boeing 737, sorry. Woo! Let's go, got another plane.